In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Squarespace. Buttons are simple, clickable calls to action that guide visitors to the next step, whether that's viewing a product, opening a contact form, or jumping to another page. Adding one in Squarespace only takes a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open your website and click Edit to enter the page editor. You'll know you're in editing mode when the page highlights different areas as you move your mouse. From here, go to the exact section where you want the button to appear, maybe under a headline, beside an image, or at the bottom of a text block to capture attention right after a key message. At the top left, click Add Block. This opens the block picker, which is your toolbox for adding content. In the list, find the button block. Click and drag the button block onto the page, then drop it where you want it to live. You'll see drop zones appear as guides, so place it where it naturally supports your layout. Next, double-click the new button to edit it. Start with the text. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented. Things like Shop Now, Learn More, or Contact Us tend to work well. Then set what the button links to. You can link to another page on your site, a specific section, an external URL, a file download, or even an email action. Choose the option that matches your goal. And if it makes sense, enable the setting to open the link in a new tab so visitors don't lose their place. Now adjust the design. You can switch the button style, size, and alignment so it fits your section. The button will follow your site's overall style settings, which keeps everything consistent. If you want a stronger visual hierarchy, use a primary style for the most important action and a secondary style for less prominent ones. Take a quick look on different screen sizes using the built-in preview icons. Squarespace makes buttons responsive so they'll adapt to mobile automatically, but it's always good to confirm spacing and readability. And that's it. You opened your site and entered edit mode, went to the right section and added a block, then dragged in a button and customized its text, link, and design. A few thoughtful tweaks can make a big difference in how visitors move through your site.